Increase the current, increase the voltage. Just get out! Oh my god. Wait, what is the unplug? Okay, so it's plugged in, and now it's fine. Maybe it was just weird at first. So here. Oh. There's some kind of arcing going on. Because when I increase the course, there has to be.
I'm gonna unplug it and see.
Yeah.
It's unplugged, guys.
It's unplugged and it's still. That capacitor is really going in there. There it goes. It's slowly dying. That's beautiful. It's fully unplugged.
Yep.
It's not even plugged in. Slowly. Dude, that is so weird. Yo!
What? It's still going.
That's gotta be the capacitor, right? Dude, that's fucking funny. That shit is funny. Look. It's in some kind of loop.
Yeah, it's in.
Nothing. Voltage as high as it can go. This is high. This is high. Like this, and then. Amps work. Current works. Voltage does not. So we open this up, and then the voltage wasn't working, but the amperage was, but the voltage wasn't changing. And then if you go in here, you can see these mounted fuses that these things have right here, and then there's a few back there that you can also see right there. So then this one right here has apparently solder and stuff and no continuity between it. So I'm gonna try to replace this, and then we're gonna see if that works, and if it does, we'll get back to you.
Yep.
All right. Hell yeah. Now it works. Back to, I think 30 is the output max for this, actually.
About the cap for all the rest of the ones.
Yeah. So this is good.
Fucking fixed it.
Yeah. So that fixes it. And what was the new fuse? It was that. That's the new fuse that's put in there.
Oh yeah.
It looks a little nasty, but there's the new fuse, sort of. You can sort of see it, that's all. So for a few that I thought were actually bad, I realized that they're actually not bad. Some of them were, but a lot of them needed to be set in a very particular way at 120. And sometimes, even though these were set this way, these need to be reset. Some of these were also in the middle. So they were, I think, for one of these. Instead of master output, they were slave input. So this wasn't even, for some reason, this right here switches, and I have to look that up, but apparently master output, slave input have different outcomes for the voltage. I mean, and this has a max voltage of 30, and it's a little above that, around 30. So there you go. So this is a photo gate timer right here, and then all you have to do is right here, send something through, like that. I cycle through. Milliseconds. Hell yeah.